Welcome to the 2021 Buffalo Bills RV Show featuring Colton RV at Highmark Stadium. We have a huge inventory at the show with some of the best brands like Grand Design, Winnebago, Keystone, and more. We have a ton of awesome stuff happening here during the show, like this ultimate Buffalo Bills Motorhome Giveaway, as well as this free winterization event. Bring your RV down and let our experts do the work for you. Make sure your RV is prepped for winter. And don't forget exclusive merchandise. Let's go take a look at all the show has to offer. We are giving away the ultimate Buffalo Bills motorhome. So if you're coming down to the show, stop by and see Rachel in front of the giveaway. Rachel's got the codes. Rachel, can you show us how we can win this thing?
Yeah, so it's super easy, you guys. Just come on down. You're gonna fill out your name and your 6-digit guess. We'll have you put that into the pin pad here. If you win, it'll sound the alarm and you'll win the bus behind me. So just that easy.
Seems simple enough.
Yeah.
So this Class C motorhome has been wrapped by our friends at Streamline Designs up in North Tonawanda, just down the road from our North Tonawanda location. Decked all the way out in Bills red, white, and blue, complete with Go Bills, Bills logo, and of course Colton RV logo, because we are a proud sponsor of the Buffalo Bills. And if you come all the way around to the front or the back of the RV, you'll see that there is no mystery about it. You are a member of the Bills Mafia. As for the inside of the RV, you'll see it comes fully equipped with everything you need for a weekend camping trip or an overnight tailgate at the Colton RV camper lot at Highmark Stadium. So as soon as you walk into the RV, you'll see there is a generously sized table for when the weather outside doesn't cooperate and the tailgate's got to come inside. You've got plenty of room to sit at the table and have your meals. And when you have some extra people joining you, they take great advantage of the space available and added 2 sleeping spaces above the driver's seat. And then over here we have the kitchen, which is equipped with everything you need to prepare your tailgate favorites. A sink to wash the dishes, a 3-top burner, and an oven, as well as a microwave. And of course we have a fridge to keep all of your tailgate goodies cold. This thing has a full bathroom. You'll see we have a nice tall shower with natural skylight, a toilet, and a sink. And when the game's all over, you have a full bedroom at the very back so you can crash and not worry about making it home until tomorrow. So if you're stopping by the show this weekend, make sure to stop by and see Rachel to try and crack the code and win this ultimate Buffalo Bills motorhome. Let's go see what else is going on. So here at the Buffalo Bills RV Show, we have a wide variety of campers, everything from travel trailers to fifth wheels, but what I really want to show you is right behind me, the 2022 Gretsch Strata Lounge. The 2022 Gretsch Strata Lounge raises the bar for the Class B market. This handcrafted coach was built with remarkable craftsmanship, unparalleled fit and finish, and attention to detail that will set a new standard of quality. As soon as you head inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating, a kitchen complete with a sink and stovetop. In the back, we have additional seating that also folds down into a bed. This Gretsch has it all, including a private wet bath with shower, sink, and toilet. Every surface and every material was chosen to be practical, while still providing a subtle sophistication that Gretsch is known for. So if you're coming by the show, make sure to stop by and check out this awesome Class B and the rest of our wide selection. So now we're standing in front of the Colton RV camper lot here at Highmark Stadium, where we are proud, and we're talking proud, to be the official RV dealer of the Buffalo Bills. Sponsoring the camper lot just might be our favorite part. The Bills are out of town this weekend, but if they were home, this lot would be full of RVs and plenty of tailgating. Parking spots in the Colton RV camper lot are in high demand, and they tend to sell out for the whole season before the season even starts. The lot opens up the day before the game and closes midday the day after. So you can start your tailgate early and celebrate the win long after the final play. So grab your folding tables, your Bison Dip, your Labatt Blue, and the rest of your tailgate tools, and we'll see you for the next home game at the Colton RV camper lot. So as the 2021 Buffalo Bills RV Show comes to an end, we want to thank everyone who came out to see our awesome RVs and everyone who entered our giveaways. If you weren't able to make it to the show, don't worry. You can stop by our North Tonawanda or Orchard Park locations to see our whole inventory. We'll see you next year, and go Bills!